Welcome, in front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it, basically grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically to release the strap you need to pull on the lever towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will release the strap and you can pull it out like this. The same for the other one, so pull on the lever like that and pull out the strap. And this mechanism is quite simple, and how it works is basically you have two pins on each side of the strap. Those pins are locked in in the holes on each side of the watch right here. And once you pull on the lever on the strap, it basically retracts the pin inside of the strap, making you be able to basically pull out the strap from your watch. And that's how it works. It's quite simple. Here we have our straps and our watch, and let's say you have new straps and you want to put them on. You grab your watch, grab a strap, you take the side further away on the opposite side of the lever, you insert it into a hole on the watch. I don't know if you can see it, but something like this. Then you pull on the lever on the side with the lever, align it with the other side and release the lever, and it will click in, and once it does it should hold. Same for the other one, so insert it right like this. Oh, come on. Insert it on one side like that, pull the lever to retract the pin. Once you retract it, align it with other hole and release it. Sometimes it's a bit of a struggle. Come on, we can do this like that, like this. Oh, why didn't it lock in? Come on, something is not doesn't want to cooperate with me. Give me a few seconds. Come on. Okay. Oh, now it clicked in. No, it shouldn't be this hard. It's not hard, to be honest. It just, you know, some things just don't want to work with you. Oh, now it clicked in, I think. Yep. Okay, and here we have it. So it was a bit of a struggle, but we got it. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.